Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. And I am here with my another video, and my this video is about some different length of pencil heel and really beautiful design and very beautiful color combinations that looks really amazing and really pretty. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful black and like brown kind of color, and that looks really amazing and pretty. And this one is also a very beautiful black color heel, square shape from the front, that looks really unique and like very trendy heel, like Louis Vuitton logo on that heel. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting and beautiful. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful and very nice, and this one is also a very and as you see, this combination looks really nice, a very pretty shiny thing that looks really amazing. And this heel looks really nice, a very pretty V shape from the front that looks really amazing and beautiful. And this heel looks really amazing and a very beautiful kind of brown color. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. And so today's video is about to end, so don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video.